place where you passed on is where I met you, Mother. For you see, she was my second wife, and you were my second son. White scalp hunters killed my family, and I avenged their murder. I raided the settlement and slaughtered every man, woman, and child. All but one, your mother. Her I took with me to take the place of my Apache bride. My hatred for the White Eyes burned inside my heart. When I looked at you, all I could see was the color of your skin. You tried to prove your worth, but I could not see who you were. Till now. In this place when it all began. This day, my rule will end. Running River will become calm water. I love you, my son. Shazam. And I am sorry. And there is but one last thing I must do.
Now, wait a second. Just hold on. No! No!
My faith is my shield. My faith is my shield. My faith is my...
Enough! Tell me how to use the medallion. Tell me its secret.
My faith is my shield.
You better talk before your brothers arrive, mijo. Because if you don't, we will capture them, and we will torture them. And for what? For the gold? You told me yourself that riches are the root of all evil.
My faith is my...
Stop it! Look, this isn't personal. If not for you, I would probably be dead. You'll get your share. Your brothers as well. And Marissa too. There is enough for everyone. After all, are we that different, you and I?
You hurt people. I don't.
Oh, yes. You are so pure, so pristine, untouched by sin. Well, eventually everyone gets a little dirty, mijo. Even you.
Why are you doing this? Why are you destroying my family? For the money?
When I was 11 years old, my stepfather used me like a whore, and I let him so he would give me something to eat. Juarez is no different. I hate him, and I need to be free of him, and I don't want my child to have such a father.
You carry his child?
I'm not strong like you or your brothers. I need someone who can protect me.
Like Ray?
I thought so at first, but then I realized it wouldn't change anything. To be with another man I did not love?
Thomas? You love Thomas.
Listen to me. Escúcheme. Juarez waits for your brothers. He wants his revenge. Take this.
I don't want a whipping. I'm not a killer.
They will bring hell down on you with everything they have. We are outnumbered and outgunned, and I won't be there to cover your ass.
Don't you worry about me. You just find William. Ray, back here in the Apache camp, I didn't tell you the truth. Not all of it, anyway.
This ain't the time.
I didn't plan to fall in love with her. It just happened.
Right now, the only thing that matters
is William.
You're right, big brother. Let's go get him.
Are you setting me free?
Not exactly, muchacho. I was thinking about what you said, about the Lord and how he loves you. I thought if your faith is indeed your shield, what if you were to lose it? What if you became one of us, a sinner?
What are you talking about?
Santos, take your knife and cut his throat.
What are you doing?
I want to see if your God will protect you. Nice shot, mijo. You didn't hesitate. You just took his life. Your brothers would be very proud. See, I told you that you and I were not so different. Maybe now you will tell me how to use the medallion, huh? Ah, your brothers have arrived. Good. They have come to save you. Speak, and maybe you'll save them. How do I use these to find the treasure? Do you prefer silence? Then you will enjoy the silence of the grave. Your brothers can tell me what I need to know. Kill him!
What have you done?
You should thank me for ending his life quickly. I could have taken my time.
Vete al diablo!
Do you hear those gunshots? Your amante is here to rescue you. Soon I will take him prisoner and you two will finally be together. For richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live. Which will not be very long.
What? I am with child?
The question is whose child?
It is yours.
If that is true, then I will spare you. At least until the child is born. And then I will put you to work in my whorehouse. For that is what you are, is it not? A lying, thieving, gold-loving whore!
Okay, let's do this, brother. Come on, Ray. Kaboom. Okay, let's look around.
Gringo!
This'll do.
alive, cabron!
Want some ammo?
Find him!
Oh, shit! Found him!
Where is he? You yellow belly!
Take it easy. I ain't gonna hurt you. That's good, horsey. Be good now.
Where are you? Come out! We just want to talk. You see him?
Here!
Don't be afraid now.
There!
Okay, one more.
Here, here!
Hand over there! Your priest is dead, pendejo! There he is! Burn now! Gringo! You came for your brother! What do you need? Where is he?
Shoot him! You're dead! You hear me? Kill yourself, coward!
Gringo!
You gonna give me a hard time?
He's inside! Burn it! How do you like your horse?
There he is!
gringo! I guess it's just you and me.
Come out.
Hey, gringo! I'll see you in the square. I've had enough of this blind man's bluff. You're not going to shoot me in the back, are you?
Well, Ray, now it's your turn.
Thomas, don't ever leave me again. Never.
Never again.
I love you.
Ray went to get William. We gotta get out of here now.
William is dead.
What?
Juarez killed him.
Where is he? Where is that murderous sumbitch?
No, we must leave. Look, the gold is ours.
What about Ray?
We can't wait for him. Don't you see? This is our chance, our only chance.
I can't leave my brother behind.
You think he would let us be together? He would kill us both.
But only William knew how to use that thing.
Not only him. I grew up here, and I have heard the legend since I was a little girl. There is one candle, but 3 graves. The gold of Juarez belongs only to the brave. I know where those graves are. I can show you the way.
Kill him!
You don't look too relieved for a man who just dodged a bullet.
I killed a man, Ray.
Well, there ain't nothing wrong with defending yourself, little brother.
His blood is on my hands.
At least it ain't your blood. Let's go, boy. Thomas is waiting with the horses. Come on.
On my sign, run to me and find some cover as close as you can. Now, don't be afraid. Everything's gonna be all right.
You again!
I've got him.
Jesucristo!
Hide, William.
Kill him! Don't let him out! Where is he?
William? Hold on, brother. Come on, I got him. Now, come on.
Aim for his head!
Let's go. Come on. Don't be afraid. Thomas is waiting at the gates with the horses. You keep your head down. I'll take a look around.
Kill them!
Son of a bitch! Where are you, Thomas? Thomas! Where are you, you asshole?
Right! They'll kill us! We need to find a different way out of here.
Now, what different way might that be?
Listen to me! There's gotta be another way out of here. There was a drain pipe in the cell floor. It's gotta lead somewhere.
Yeah, lead the way. I hope you're dead, Mother. 'Cause if you're not, by God, you...
Watch out!
There they are! Shoot! Run!
Fire!
Now!
There it is.
You know, we gotta blow the grate. Get behind some cover, William. Oh, Thomas, if you betrayed me, you better hope I never find you.
That's a cellar. Come on.
Look! There they are! Chingada! They're dead where they stand!
Wait here!
You won't get away! What the hell is wrong with you, puto? Shoot them! You're done for
Move it, William!
If you live or die.
Hola, amigo. You out there?
Indeed I am, amigo. And I'm coming for you. You hear me?
I trusted you. We could have done so much together. We could have been good friends, wealthy friends. But you had to betray me. You and your fucking brother. So now you'll die in these dungeons. Come on!
Wait for me!
Son of a bitch! I'll kill you! Here, gringo! Try, maricón! You lying traitor! I'll kill you, and the treasure'll be mine!
I'll shove it down your throat!
You came for her, huh? Well, you're too late! Hey, cabron! She betrayed you too, huh? Where's your brother?
No.
Some things we have no control over, eh, amigo?
Oh, Thomas.
Hey, McCall! You wanna face me straight up? Fight like two men fighting for a woman. For Marisa. To make it right, huh?
Ray!
I'm here.
You killed him?
I don't know. I'm looking for him.
Let him be, Ray. Come on. I think there's something in there. Come on, I'll help you. Come on, he doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Look, a way out. God protect us.
God!
Ray? What's wrong with you? You're shaking.
Thomas wasn't at the gate, and Ray fought like a wildcat. We barely made it out of there alive. He was out of his mind and still out for blood. So I told him the secret of the medallion. I figured it was a fairy tale, but at least it would keep him busy. But it was true. It was real. The medallion led us to the entrance of an ancient vault. The door was already open, and I suspected why. Thomas. Somehow I just knew. Followed the faint light through a passage constructed centuries ago. It was right then and there I made up my mind. I knew what I had to do. I had to save my brothers.
I warned you, Thomas. I told you what would happen if you stole another woman from me.
William? You said he was dead.
That is what Juan said.
I told you what I would do. Didn't I tell you?
Thomas, don't. He'll kill you.
I loved you and you lied to me. Both of you. You betrayed me.
What do you want from me, Ray?
I want justice.
Oh my God.
I wanted so desperately to lead my lost brothers towards the light of the Lord, but I've failed us all. And now my brothers are mortal enemies. Why? For what? A woman? Gold? Maybe the time for talk is over. Maybe I can show them that there is something more important than pride and avarice and lust.
I will not let you kill Thomas, Ray.
It's none of your business.
To get to him, you have to get past me.
Out of the way!
Ray, for Christ's sake, he doesn't have a gun!
You know what I'm capable of, Ray. I'm a murderer too now, just like you.
I won't tell you again, boy. Step away.
I'm reaching on 3. 1,
Do it.
2.
No!
Ray!
I've never been one to be superstitious, but maybe this gold is cursed.
How is it you're still breathing, Barnsby?
I don't know. That Apache chief took his knife, cut my ties, and set me free. Not a word why. Wasn't too hard to follow your trail. Must have been the good Lord's will. This gold will help me restore the army of the Confederate States of America. Under my command, the South will rise again, and this time we will be victorious!
Colonel, you've lost your goddamn mind.
And I think the time has come for you two to pay the price for your cowardice and desertion. Kill him, boys!
Marisa, run to the top! Run!
See you in hell, son of a bitch! Keep them busy.
Marisa, run! Marisa!
Thomas!
Pat! You'll die, Borsby! You hear me? How many bullets you think you got left?
Come closer and see for yourself.
It all ends here, Borsby. Your dreams are being buried alive. You'll die here with us. What about the South, Borsby? Are you ready to let it slip away? Like I did with my family?
I propose that we meet on the field of honor. A fair fight between me and one of you. God will protect the righteous. Or are you too cowardly to face me man to man?
He's mine.
There were 3 of us in those bitter days, and each of us would have braved the fires of hell for the other. No one could stand against us when we stood together. 3 brothers. William, well, he was the best of us. A man of faith. He sacrificed his life to deliver me from evil, like the Savior himself, dying for our sins. Like Running River, who spared the murderer of his own child. William wanted me to find the Lord, and in his sacrifice, I did. Oh, we left the gold. We knew it was cursed. I put away my guns and dedicated my life to serving the Almighty. I became the preacher my brother William always wanted to be, and joined Thomas and Marissa in holy matrimony. William, I know you're looking down on us, and I want you to know your passing was not in vain. And though nothing is like it used to be, one thing remains: we are still a family.